What do you think about livestock farming? Do you think it's a great opportunity to develop our country? Why not? Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to tell you some special thing related to one of my experiences. One day my dad came to home and then he said to us, one of my friends organized a trip to Gono earlier. So what do you think guys? Do you want to go there or not? So then we all said that we want to go there because we never had been there before. Finally, we confirmed a date to go there, and finally we came to that place. Do you know it was so an amazing place? Large number of beautiful places. First of all, we wanted to visit Haggala Flower Garden. It was so an amazing place with large number of beautiful flowers. And next, we visited some places at Nuwara, and finally we came to visit New Zealand dairy farming, which called Abewala. Do you know it was so an amazing place with large number of beautiful cows and goats here. And first, we wanted to drink glasses of fresh milk here. Do you know it was so delicious than artificial milk. And next, we decided to visit that dairy farming factory, and we went into that dairy farming factory, and there was a person who called Sarat, and that person gave us a really amazing introduction about that place. And that person said that there are lots of workers work at here, so we don't need to fear for anything because we could manage that everything in your schedule. That person said like that. And other thing is that person said that we don't touch a little amount of milk to prepare anything. We use the technology for it. And after going on that trip, I realized we have a great technology, so we don't need to fear for anything. We could use that technology to develop that livestock farming. But some people think that this is an old method because that method started in stone era. So some people think that this is an old method. Why are we develop this method? Some people think like that. But no, if we try to use the technology to develop this path, we could manage that everything. And if we try to develop that livestock farming, we could get large number of benefits, such as we don't need to export any fertilizer from other country, and we don't need to export any milk powder from other country, and there are lots of job opportunities, and we could get a high foreign exchange too. So if we try to develop this path, we don't need to afraid for anything. And other thing is, I want to tell you something about dairy farming factories. And lots of parents try to give artificial milk for their own child. But do you know, mom's milk is the best. But almost all parents cannot understand this. So there are a large number of people try to drink a glasses of fresh milk early in the morning. They think that if we don't drink a glass of fresh milk early in the morning, we cannot be a healthy man. Some people think like that. No, this is not the truth. If we try to stop drinking artificial milk, we could be a healthy man. Because you know, when we drink a fresh milk, it means artificial milk daily, then we happen to face lots of difficulties like diabetic panics and cancers are some of them. So why are we drink that artificial milk? Do you know there was a milk mafia at our country last year? So then lots of people try to find some informations about that milk powders. So then they finally found some informations. Then they realized what are abundant in that milk powder. So then they found lots of chemicals and oil which got by the pigs are abundant here. So why are we drink those chemicals? Some people send money on substitutes and man-made substitutes. So then if we try to waste our money for successful thing and helpful thing, we could we could develop our country. So I think we are not late yet, guys. We could do that. And thank you.